Hello learners, welcome to the virtual tour from your Android phone. How can you have a virtual tour to the Android? So the first thing you have to do, you have to open the Google Maps, and then what you have to do, you have to search the place you are going to visit. Let's suppose I'm taking you to the Venice, that's in Italy. That's a very beautiful place. That's an island you can find here. So we are going to the Venice right now. So I'm just zooming in after opening from the Google Maps. Then you have to click on this option. It will show the street view of the place. You can see the streets with the blue lines. So now the next step what you will follow will be to click on the blue line. So here the street view is. Wow, this is a beautiful place with the beautiful and clean environment all around. So anyway, we have heard that Venice is the city, that's an island, but I don't find any water here. So let's move towards the water. So yes, I can see the water right now. Wow, it's a beautiful bridge and the people are going, they are having fun, they are viewing the water. So this is great. So let's go and see what is next. So we can see the architecture of the Venice also. It's a bridge where we are moving. Yes, this is nice. You can see the architecture. Oh, so this is a beautiful view. You can see the boats here and the people are doing their works, they're roaming around, they're going here and there. So this is Italy. What you are watching from your home, from your Android. So this is a street. It's quite narrow. And let's see what is next, what will come next after this street. So I think it ends here. So let's move back. Okay, so we are moving back now. And we'll continue on the road where water was. So okay, let's move ahead. Listen, you can enjoy the 3D view of the whole street. You can see I can move my image anywhere, wherever I want. I can take that there, and by following this blue line, which is actually the street view, by following it I can have the whole virtual tour of the place. So I'm going ahead. Okay, so this time I've quit Venice. Let's move to another place, and that's going to be the Burj Khalifa. Oh wow, that's a beautiful architecture in Dubai. So let's go to that and have a look at how the virtual tour of Burj Khalifa will be. Oh wow, we are inside Burj Khalifa. Can you imagine that from our cell phone, sitting at the home, we can have. So this is very nice for the people who like to tour, who like to roam. So this is inside the Burj Khalifa, and the people, you can see they are seeing the outer view, and it's really beautiful from the top floor of Burj Khalifa. This is amazing. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can have the 3D view, you can move all around wherever the view is. Okay, so let's have a view of Burj Khalifa from a far off place, from where we can see the dancing shower as well. Yes, this is the Burj Khalifa. You can see how beautiful is this. That's in Dubai, and that's a very beautiful building. And yes, I'm taking you to the Dubai fountain. You can see. So this is a dancing fountain, and it looks very beautiful. It moves along with the music, and the people come to enjoy the beauty of this place as they are right now. You can see. So this is amazing. You can have the virtual tours of so many other places. Goodbye.